In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Discord gift code. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get your gift activated in just a couple of minutes. The most reliable way to do this is on a computer using the desktop app or a web browser, since the layout is consistent and all the options are easy to find. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Discord account before you begin so the gift lands where you expect it. Start by opening Discord on your PC or in your browser. If you're using the browser, go to the official site and log in as usual. Give the app a second to load your home screen so all the menus are ready. Next, head into your user settings. Look in the bottom left corner of Discord for the small gear icon near your profile area. Click that gear to open User Settings. This is where all of your account and billing options live, including the section we need for redeeming gifts. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you see Gift Inventory. Click Gift Inventory to open the page dedicated to gifts and redemptions. If your window is small, you might need to scroll a bit more. The option can be lower in the list depending on your screen size. On the Gift Inventory page, find the field where you can redeem a code. Copy your gift code and paste it into the box exactly as provided. Be careful not to include extra spaces at the beginning or end. When you're ready, click Redeem. If the code is valid, Discord will move you to a confirmation step. If you see an error like expired or already redeemed, double-check the code with the sender or ensure it hasn't been used before on another account. Now confirm the gift. A prompt will appear showing what you're about to accept, such as Nitro or a server-related perk. Click Accept Gift to finalize. This is the step that actually adds the benefit to your account. If it's a subscription trial, note that Discord may display details about how the plan continues after the trial, and you can manage or cancel it later in your subscription settings. Finally, your gift is added to your account. You can verify it right away. Nitro will appear in your account perks, and server boosts or other benefits will show where they apply. If something doesn't look right, return to Gift Inventory to review your history or check your subscriptions page for status details. That's it. Your Discord gift code is redeemed and ready to use. Enjoy your new perks.